This is a Model 200 key machine. A simple, basic, portable design has made this machine a locksmith favorite for years. The Model 200 cuts flat steel and master key streams in addition to all ordinary keys. It also operates as a code-cutting unit with one of the simplest methods ever devised. The model comes with a built-in micrometer so you can adjust for worn keys. Very important feature, these cutting wheels are instructions included, shown with optional deburring brush. There's the deburring brush. Here's a blank key. Here's the key to be cut, duplicated. There's the on-off switch. The cannon back is for extra blades and tools. The motor back here is 110 house current. You can buy a 12 volt if you want to put it in your van.